Alright, here's a quick video of how to use this DVR609. And when you're trying to connect the HD camera that comes with this unit, make sure that it says full HD 30 on the top left hand side. I don't have an SD card connected on purpose. Now if it does not say full HD 30, here's what I want you to do. Reset the unit. You want to go into pressing the bottom button once, second time, third time. It will give you this setup screen here. Alright, now press this arrow, the third button from the top. It will take you to firmware version. Press it one more time. Go to default setting. Press the play button. This is the second button. Now it's going to ask you whether you want to default or reset it. I want to say yes. So press the third button. Now you select yes. And then now press the play button again, which is the second button. Now press the play button again to say OK. And the unit will shut off and restart. And it will reset the unit. Once you've done that, if you have a good SD card that's compatible with its face, with the picture facing away from you. So when you're looking at it, this notch should come like this to the bottom. Put it into the side of the unit like so and slide it in. And then you will hear a little click, and then the unit will start to just say no signal. And the SD card is in there. Now if you want to connect your camera, it goes in here on this section that says HD cam. Take one cable. Make sure that you're using the right side. It's this side because it's going to line up. If you put it the wrong way, it should not go in there unless it was really hard for you to put it in there. It should go this way with the smaller side facing away from the unit and slide it in. Once you do that, you want to then take the other side of the cable and connect it to the camera. Make sure the smaller side is facing to the left. Take the camera with the button facing away to the same side and slide it in this way. And it's properly seated. Once it does that, the camera will then start sending video to the unit, and you should have video. It's just that easy.